Today we're making my all-time favorite snack slash dessert. Honestly, they can be categorized as microwave s'mores. You want to start with your base layer, which is a cookie. And for the middle part of it, you want to put a marshmallow. And you kind of want to flatten it out so that your top layer, which is the other half of the cookie, can sit right on top of it. And it's kind of tricky to get it to balance just right so that it doesn't fall. Once you've gotten them to balance, it's time to put them in the microwave. I push the button for a minute, but I don't put it in there for a minute long. I watch it to make sure that it expands and kind of melts the marshmallow, and that takes about 10 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds. Once you've seen that the marshmallows have melted, it's time to take them out the microwave, and I kind of reposition it, and then it's ready to eat. And I can tell you firsthand how delicious this snack dessert is. I hope you enjoyed this video.